In this video, I'm going to show you how to reload this tape gun fast, and if you stay to the end, I'll give you 2 extra tips that will save you a ton of time. Reloading the tape gun is super easy. Just pop off the old roll's core, pop on a new roll, open the gate, and then feed through the new tape, and close the gate, and then tear off the excess. And now you're ready to rock and roll. Here's tip number 1. You can get cheap tape like this that has the red line with the little arrows pointing to the edge of the tape being somewhere in this vicinity, but it takes so long for me to just scratch and try to find the edge of that tape. It's a huge waste of time. It's cheap, but cheap doesn't mean it actually saves you money. I like this tape, and I'll leave a link in the description below. It already has the edge revealed, and it's so much faster to load. It'll save you a ton of time. Here's tip number 2. Second tip is to remember to use this tensioner knob to adjust the tension on the tape roller. This helps prevent too much tape from flying out too fast and getting stuck on itself or requiring too much effort to seal up a box. If this video helped you, the best way to thank me is to comment, like, or subscribe. Thanks for watching.